Welcome to Party Slayers with Lapush. It's all about the groove culture, baby. The partying, the dancing, the slaying, the so on. Gisha namakutsumela pagat. Welcome to Party Slayers with Lapush. As we see, the content says it's all about groove culture and everything. But today, this thing is in the and today we are we are blessed. And we're here. He was running e-foundation donations, helping the needy people. We don't like to use the poor. Singathi the poor. Yes, abantu nje abadinga izinto. Yes. But as do I need to introduce him or he will introduce himself?
Ukhuluma uVusumuza kaMdinisi ohlala khona eThembisa odlala uSgidi kuzo.
Usibani uSgidi Samarand, Sastreva. So UPTK, I want to ask you about your organization. You named it Business Chamber after your I want to know
So umntwana besimlindele wafika wahlala nathi isikhashanyana esincane bese umntwana wahamba emhlabeni. So ugogo wakhe, which is my mom, wathi sayi moshari masifike emoshari but manje igama lomntwana abena effort esanto singakamniki. Ngikhuluma nomama wathi mama wathi emoshari igama lomntwana athi besinethemba we had hope. Ukuthi uzofika hlala khule nathi senze yonke lento le but then azange senze. So we had hope.
I don't know. Something else. So tell us about the foundation, the organization. Where is it going? Because you have to make
foundation focus more ekusizeni kwabantu aba-in need, asikhethi abantu besifazane, abantu abafana, abantu abadala nabancane. Sikhava yonke into le, sibanika impahla, sikhipha amaphethi, sipheka ukudla, we give them Colgate, toothbrush, nento zokugeza.
Yes. Okay, let's now go to the fun part. It's good, is that right? The big character. So sibonile manje ukuthi ibalandi abafana ibashayeleni kodwa
Besibafundisa isifundo.
Nibafundisa isifundo.
Bakhipha lezi zinto abazithathile.
Mara baronke ne?
Baronke kakhulu.
Baronke.
Lapha sibashayana benge bayikhiphe.
Okay, so tell us nje kancane ukuthi where is it going? Like kuzoba mnandi kangakanani?
Kuzoba mnandi kakhulu. I think njengoba kwasebahambeni sekuzoza labantu ababathumelile manje abazofuna ukupay revenge kithi ukuthi shaya abafana babo. Then we'll get to see ukuthi ubani behind yonke
lento le. Oh, okay, but
it's a big name, it's a big character. South Africa yonke lo muntu yamazi. Bazoba
you guys are going to be blown out. Exactly. Guys, please catch Uzalo 8:30 on SABC 1.
Weekdays, Monday to Friday.
Exactly. Let's begin it. It's good to summer run on Party Slayers. Party Slayers. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
Mama.
Sesenami is ne sisasa sonke ngithi. Yeah, angasikhohle.
Ningahambi bandla. Sazoyenza okunye futhi. That's it, thank you.
Oh, you're good.
Hello. Beyikhona yazi esingulwethu.
Na uyafuna.
Wonke ama-girls.
Mama sikhiphe isikhathi kanti obani kanjani. Yeah.